Back in 2032, I bought this, an abandoned castle that has been forgotten for just over a century, and the reason why it was abandoned is a little bit of a haunting story, which we'll get into later, and I'm smiling making this voiceover because I know what you're thinking right now, and I'm really interested to see how this video goes. You see, I have made almost all of my money from investing in companies that shape the future. The really annoying thing with investing in the stock market is, with hindsight, everything is so obvious. Like you watching this right now, you probably watch Netflix, you probably have an iPhone, yet you didn't invest in Netflix and you didn't invest in Apple. You heard about AI, but you didn't invest in Nvidia. And just to really reiterate this, if you had just invested 10 grand into Nvidia in 2016, that'd be worth 1.9 million pounds today. 10 grand to 1.9 million. And you might be thinking, oh yeah, but who could have predicted that Nvidia would? Well, a lot of people did. And I haven't done particularly that well compared to some people that I know. I took some big risks. I mean, you all know the story. I sold my house in London, invested all that money in the stock market. I also decided to invest my entire pension into one single company, and that made me a lot of money. And even on just some smaller business levels, I've taken pretty large risks that other people wouldn't have taken. You see, my Instagram took off, grew it to 100,000. And then I noticed that Instagram then wanted me to pay so that my posts would get views. And I said, oh, F you, I'm going to leave. So I went to YouTube, and then I grew this platform to 100,000 subscribers. It took 3 years to get to 2,000 subscribers. And then I had one video do 8 million views. It made £43,000. And then I gained 70,000 subscribers just from that one video. And then I realized that I enjoyed making YouTube videos, but I actually enjoyed writing on Substack more. So I put everything into that. I wanted to explain how the stock market works, how property investing works. And I wrote it all in the form of weekly newsletters, kind of like a giant book of everything I've learned over a decade of investing. And in 2025, I increased my portfolio by 71%. And everyone who read the newsletter got to watch every single move that I made, every company that I sold, and every company that I bought. You can start with £10, 10 grand, 100 grand. It doesn't matter. Investing is how every single extremely successful person I know made all their money. And it is how I will end up buying a castle. So if you aren't already, search Havesomevision on Substack or click the link in the description and start reading. I'm now 70th in the top 100 bestsellers in business. It's insane. And the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The next best time is right now. And right now, there is a moment happening. And I'm going to look back on this video and think, oh, remember when I thought that quality was incredible and the prompt to video generation was what I thought was excellent. And yes, you can still tell this video is AI. And the thing is you might be watching this and go, I don't like that, or that bit you can tell isn't very good. You just got to remember that this is the worst it will ever be. And you've also got to think about how much effort this took for me to create. Like, this cost money to make and hours of my time. But if I were to have made this 10 years ago, I mean, it would have cost hundreds of thousands to make. And I wrote on Substack recently that I think this is a big shift that is going to happen. You see, my London project, that house, the one that did 3 million views, and I made actually 20-something thousand pounds from that video alone. That house was £970,000. Then I had to obviously spend 8 months after my day job working in finance coming back and work on it until 11 p.m. And then I'd get up at like 4:30 in the morning, work on it before going to work. Every single weekend, all my annual leave went to renovating that house, and then all the money to generate a video that made £20,000. Now, as I said earlier, I've made all of my money investing in companies that I think will shape the future. And what I think is about to happen is a new wave of content creators who they don't have to be somebody like me who has a job that I can borrow that amount of money to do that project, then have the skill set to film, edit, voiceover, and then package it all together to upload onto YouTube. They're going to just shortcut that whole process, and they're going to go on Claude Code, prompt scripts that then go into Kling and use video generation. And the thing is this video has made me money now, and it will make more than the amount it cost to create, which now means there is a new side hustle available, and I have just written one of my favorite newsletters I have ever written. It's newsletter 124. Click the link in the description or search Havesomevision on Substack. I'm going to be sending it out on Sunday, so don't miss it. Seriously, this market is going to get saturated soon. I only know of 2 other people who are doing what I'm doing right now. So I really think if you've ever wanted a side hustle that you can do whilst you're sat on your laptop watching TV after your hard day's work, this is it. This is your opportunity. So search Havesomevision on Substack or click the link in the description. Best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The next best time is right now. Go for it.